Hello guys and girls, just a quick one today. We've got a little Volkswagen Golf in today, and it's got a case of the smells. So basically the gentleman that owns it's just bought it, and the previous owner has had a dog inside it, and you get that sort of musky dog smell. Now the car's being cleaned and I think it's already been shampooed at some point, to be honest with you, albeit not very well. So it's in here today for a full interior job to try and get rid of the smell. Now in order to get rid of the smell, or to stand any chance of getting rid of the smell, you need to use an enzyme cleaner. Now I use one from Autosmart mostly, but I've also used this one here, which is a retail product, Autobright Biozyme. It's just an enzyme cleaner. And basically what an enzyme cleaner does is it actually puts little sort of microbes, bacteria into the fabric, but it's good bacteria. And what it does is it eats the food that the bad bacteria would live off, and therefore the bad bacteria dies, and then the good bacteria dies anyway. So it gets rid of the smell that way, because it's actually the bad bacteria that causes the smell. The dog cars are particularly prone to this because dogs obviously, well, dogs kind of stink a wee bit and they leak and stuff like that, unfortunately, now and again. So just a quick heads up, something like that, enzyme cleaner. You'll probably need a couple of these if you're using these. I got this one on eBay. You'll probably need 2 of them to do a full car properly, and you just spray it on, scrub it in, and then if you've got a wet vac, extract it. If you've not got a wet vac, then towel it dry. Just don't overly soak it. But if you're going to have any chance at all of getting rid of the smell, you need an enzyme cleaner. On Google you'll find multitudes of them, there are loads of them, really common, but it's something that not a lot of people know about. Also, we've got a question and answers coming up soon, so if you've got any questions you'd like to ask, get them in below and I'll have a look at them, or I'll let Amy have a look at them. And also there's a big clean video coming up, hopefully next week. We just picked the car up yesterday, so keep your eye out for that. Anyway guys and girls, that's how you fix your smelly car. Cheers, thanks for watching, bye.